What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Gladstone Capital. Now, I'm super excited because I was actually able to purchase shares with this company, Gladstone Capital, and then 11 days later received my very first dividend payment, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I ended up getting Gladstone Capital because I was kind of eyeballing it for a while, and to be quite honest with you guys, I ended up selling some shares of Orchid Island Capital, I don't know, ORC is a ticker symbol, but I ended up selling some shares because I was pretty scared, and since I've been watching Gladstone for quite some time, I was like, all right, I'm just going to pick up some shares with them. So I'm always doing my research. I'm always looking for the dividend, the ex-dividend day, which basically is the date that I need to purchase shares if I want to get paid the next dividends. So if the ex-dividend day was, let's say, the 20th of the month, I need to purchase shares before the 20th, like on the 19th, like on the 18th. Okay, and I'll show you guys exactly that is exactly what happened here in regards to Gladstone. And I knew that they were going to be paying dividend on that particular day because I researched it on Google. So I'm going to show you guys here. I'm going to click on the screen. And so I'll just kind of scroll down to the bottom and show you guys exactly what I was just talking about. So right here on April 30th, I got a dividend payment of $65. I'll touch that and show you guys. At that particular time, I owned 1,000 shares and they're paying 0.065 cents. And that is how I got a dividend payment of $65. Now, it was confirmed on April 22nd. You guys can see that here, confirmed on April 22nd that they're going to make a dividend payment. Actually, I had already known prior to April 22nd because there was some article I think I had read that released that they already confirmed the dividend payments for the next several months, like April, May, and June. So I knew exactly when the ex-dividend day was. Okay, so right here you can see that they confirmed on the 22nd. And so the payment was going to be made on the 29th. And so, of course, I also have dividend reinvestment turned on. And you guys can see that it was reinvested here automatically. On the 30th, the dividend reinvestment, I was able to grab 5.877 shares. And at the time, it was $11.06 per share. So once again, I bought these shares April 19th. The dividend payment was confirmed on April 22nd, which I showed you guys right here on the left. Okay, and then that's how I was able to get a dividend payment within 11 days after purchasing. That is so exciting. And it's exciting because the stocks that I decided to sell, my entire position with ORC, I had lost about $1,500. I still got a dividend payment for that particular one because I had shares when they decided to announce they were going to pay, right? So I still got paid dividends for that, but I was scared, so I sold my entire position because I was scared, and that happens in the stock market. A lot of people don't necessarily talk about that because they want to make it seem like, it's very simple. You just hold. Well, you don't always hold, especially if you don't believe in the company or you think something has changed. You have to be flexible, okay? So let me scroll back up and kind of show you guys that my average cost right now is $10.78 per share. I currently have 1,005.87 so on and so forth shares. Now remember, when I initially bought, I really just bought 1,000 shares. So the 5.877 and so on amount of shares was the dividend payment being reinvested and buying more shares. So let's say it's 5 shares flat. Let's say the dividend reinvestment bought me 5 shares flat. Since I know they're paying 0.065 is going to be 5 times 0.065 shares. That's going to be 32 cents more that I'll get on my next dividend payment just by reinvesting that particular amount. So my overall value right now is $11,114.94. And then my total return so far is $269 so far overall. I'm really excited about this particular company because this is a very solid company. They've been paying dividends for a very, very long time, and it's a monthly dividend paying stock. I love stocks that pays dividends monthly just because it's a little more exciting to me, and I get to make videos and show you guys the power of dividend investing. And that's the whole purpose of this channel. All right, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps tremendously. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.